Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Neha and today we are going to practice day 11 of our 21 days yoga challenge. I know last few days have been little tough practice, especially for the beginners. They were finding it like, okay, it's a good intense. That's the reason today we are going to practice very mild sequence. I want all of you to surely try this and practice for a peaceful and a relaxing practice for yourself in the morning. Before we start, I want you to subscribe my channel and click a bell icon right next to it. Also, you can follow me on Instagram with the ID of Yoga for Cure. Let's get started. Before we start, I want you to really understand one thing, that when you practice sequence today with me, try to keep yourself really cool, calm and relaxed. Try to focus more on your breath as well as not stretch a lot, because I don't want you to get tired. Okay, so sit in Vajrasana. Keep your both the shoulders relaxed. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Inhale. And deep breath out. Now, inhale with your both the hands up. Palm together. Bend your elbows back. And slowly exhale when you go down. Hands forward. Come back to center. Inhale up. Bend your elbows back. Inhale once again. Exhale, go forward. Drop your hands down and center. Lift your right hand up. Give a gentle stretch. Come back to center. Left hand up all the way. Give a mild stretch to the side. Come back to center. Place your both the hands next to the knee. Slowly push your knee up. Drop your foot down and come to center. Come to a standing posture. Same thing. Inhale up. Bend your elbows back. Bend your knees. Slowly go down. Hands in front of your toe. Now lengthen your spine. Look forward. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep your knees bent. Chest closer to the thighs. A very mild stretch. Try to engage your focus to the stretch in the glutes right now, and try not to keep your whole palm. Even if you can, just keep your fingers. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come up. Mild stretch back. Open up your chest, open up your shoulder and look forward. Look forward, chin down to the chest. Come to center. From here, keep your left foot completely on the floor, grounded. Lift your right leg up, hold your right ankle and drop it to the thighs. Have a sharp eye gaze on one particular thing. Now lift your both the hands up straight. Palm together. 3, 2, 1. Hands down and drop your leg down. Same thing the other side. Keep your right leg completely grounded. Lift your left leg up to the thigh. Once you find a balance here, once you feel you can stay, lift your both the hands up straight. Lengthen your spine, palm together, Namaskara mudra. Do not close your eyes, you might lose balance, so try to stay here. If you can close your eyes, you can stay there, it's very good. Otherwise, keep your eyes open, have one fixed gaze in front of your eyes. Do not move your eyesight. 3, 2, 1. And exhale, hands down, leg down. Take your both the legs apart from each other. 4.5 feet apart, foot pointing forward. Okay, stand still, spine straight. Now from here, turn towards your right side. Right foot will turn out. Most important thing that you have a good balance. Left foot facing out, right foot facing forward. Turn your chest to center first. Both the hands up straight, inhale. Now we lift our hands up so that we can keep our spine straight. So once you lift your hands up, get your spine in straight line, get your palm together, inhale. Exhale, slowly bend forward. Look at your toe, okay? Extend your hand on your ankle or your knee, whatever is your flexibility right now. From here, open up your chest to center, just lift your hand out. Make sure that you have a good balance. If you look up, you might lose balance. So if you're not very well versed with the balancing, then look forward or you look down. Hold 3, 2, 1. Both the hands down. Come to center. Right foot in, left foot goes out. From here, turn your chest to center. Lift your both the hands up straight. Lengthen your spine and then get your palm together. Slowly bend forward. Some of you might not be able to go completely down closer to the thigh. If you are here, it's fine. Wherever you are right now, just start with it. Extend your hand, hold your ankle, whatever you feel comfortable. So do not force yourself. If you can grab the floor, if you can grab your ankle, if you can grab your knee, focus on your capacity right now. Just hold. From here, open up your chest to the out and extend your hand. Be firm on the floor. Make sure your both the legs are very comfortable on the floor. You're not losing the balance. Open up your chest. 3, 2, 1. Get your hands forward. Bend your knee and slowly come to center. Keep your feet wherever it is. Get your both the foot facing forward. Now, when you inhale, cross your both the hands. Bend your knee, drop your chest down. Let your hands touch the floor. Inhale, come up. Exhale, down. Once again, bend your knee. Don't cross your knee forward. Now just let it flow. Inhale. Exhale, down and hold. Elbow straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands down. Get your knee in a straight line. If you think it is difficult for you to be here, it's okay. Keep your knee slightly bent. Make sure that you're comfortable. Okay. Now get your hands on the waist. If you can keep your knee straight, keep your knee straight. Just give a gentle stretch to the back and drop your shoulder down, head down. If you're here, if you think it is too tight for you, then keep your knee slightly bent and drop your hands down. Now, I always ask you to keep your hands in between both the feet. Today, I ask you to keep your hands slightly forward and extend your spine. Keep your knee straight if you can. Keep your spine straight. Look down. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come to center. Bend your knee. Hands on the waist. Come up. Keep your hands to the back. Gentle stretch. Open up your shoulder. Look forward. And then get your both the leg together. Now slowly come down. Stand on your knee and then sit down on your hip. Vajrasana. Lift your both the hands up straight and come to child posture. Drop your hands forward. Stay here for 3 long, breathe in and breathe out. 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back. Sit in any comfortable posture. After this, if you have time, you can practice Nadi Shuddhi, and also you can practice meditation for about 4 to 5 minutes. So today basically I wanted you to relax because you have been practicing for last 10 days continuously. So one day, instead of taking a break, a very mild posture. So I hope you are feeling relaxed right now. I hope you feel better. So practice this and tell me, how did you feel? Did you really feel relaxed after this? Drop it in the comment box. We'll definitely reply for that, and I'll see you tomorrow same time. Thank you. Good morning. Get up, get up. Oh my god, you are in a deep sleep. Alex, let's go home. Alex, good morning. Alex, get up. Alex, Alex, get up.